How to fix CVS application not working 2026. To fix the CVS application not working error, you first of all have to make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, try switching to a better network. And also, you can reset your network carriers if you are using mobile data by turning on the airplane mode for almost 10 seconds, then turn it off, and this will reset the network carriers and connect you to the nearest tower, making your connection reliable and stable. And also, what you can do is simply go ahead and open your device's app gallery or app drawer. Locate the CVS application icon. Once you locate it, go ahead and long press it, then access this app info panel. Scroll down to the storage and cache section to clear the cache and to remove the unwanted corrupted files within the application. Once you do this, your problem should be fixed.